Welcome to Espenia Travel Hub, your go-to destination for all things travel. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time traveler, we bring you expert travel guides, destination insights, budget-friendly tips, and unforgettable experiences from around the world. Join us as we uncover breathtaking locations, share must-know travel hacks, and provide insider recommendations to make your journeys smooth and enjoyable. From hidden gems to popular tourist hotspots, Espenia Travel Hub is here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Enjoy the video in Rome, where Espenia Travel Hub take you to unforgettable journey. Subscribe now and start your next adventure like Rome with us.
Pasti magamit dito, ma'am.
Kaya makikita mo lang tama yung bagbagi.
Correct ka tayo. Nakalikot ko. Nakalikot ko. Boys.
Okay. Sige, lakad na.
Lakad.
Ulit pa eh.
The timekeeper of Rome. In the heart of modern-day Rome, beneath the bustling streets near the Pantheon, a secret chamber stirred for the first time in 2,000 years. Dust rose like whispered memories as a soft golden light pulsed from an ancient sundial embedded in marble. Above ground, Lea Romano, a spirited 16-year-old archaeology student on summer break, roamed the Roman Forum with her grandfather, Professor Emilio Romano, a retired historian with a cane and a reputation for uncovering forgotten truths. They were searching for a clue that Emilio had chased for decades: the Aurum Horologium, a legendary artifact said to control time itself, hidden by Emperor Augustus after a prophecy warned that its power would corrupt the empire.
E li chiama. E quindi mi sono
Io non sono lanciato, sì. Chi si è lanciato? No, a parte che l'ho tenuto io.
Guardare la gente,
Farlo completamente.
Bene, verso l'ora.
Whispers from the past. No, Liao whispered, peering at a worn tablet in her hands. This etching matches the markings we saw at the Capitoline Museum. The lion with the crown, and look, the same sequence of 7 dots. Emilio's eyes lit up. Those aren't dots. They're stars. The Pleiades. The ancients believed they marked celestial gates. If we follow their position from 9 BC, it would lead us to the chamber of the Aurum Horologium, Lea finished. That night, under the Roman moon, Leah snuck out with her flashlight and notes. The clues led her through cobbled alleys, ancient drains, and finally to a sealed arch near the Temple of Hadrian. Her fingers brushed against cold stone, and it moved. The chamber breathed open.
Sto decimando io, tanto... Naka 2 miles na siguro kami ng lakad. Kaya tapos yung pavement medyo hindi pantay. Tingnan nyo yung pavement natin dito, yung lakaran. At malayo na yung ating
Roman echoes. The next morning, Leah awoke on a marble bench in the forum. But something was wrong. Tourists were gone. Electric lights didn't flicker on. Instead, toga-clad citizens bustled through stalls, and soldiers stood guard at temples. She was in ancient Rome. For days, Leah wandered, trying not to draw attention. She watched as temples were built, bread was baked in clay ovens, and orators debated in the Senate. She even saw a young Augustus delivering speeches. But time was fraying. She noticed strange things: a car horn echoing in the distance, a boy with sneakers in the crowd, a tourist map caught in the wind. The sundial had broken the boundaries between past and present.
Certo, devo fare 4.000 di una rapida a caso. This gentleman.
That's crazy.
How much do you charge?
There is a story of Fontana di Trevi.
The Keeper's War. Leah met Marcus, a boy her age with a quick smile and quicker mind. He claimed to be a timekeeper, one of 7 descendants chosen by fate to protect the balance of ages. But not all timekeepers agreed with the mission. There's one, Marcus said, who wants to bring the empire to the future. He believes Rome should rise again and rule the modern world. His name was Severus Claudius, senator turned shadow, who had survived for centuries by absorbing fragments of time through the horologium. Now he planned to unleash its full power during the solar eclipse. With Marcus and a rebellious Roman librarian named Vesta, Leah raced to stop him.
Vuoi l'ombrello, Esther? Ti prego, prendi un ombrello. No. Ma così ti vediamo. Ma non ce l'ho. Ok?
Hold on, we lost Rex. There he is.
Sinusundan natin ngayon yung ating tour guide. Of course, ito naman po si Travel Espenia. Espenia Travel Hub. At sinusundan natin yung tour guide natin ngayon. Ito siya. At ito na yung mga kasama natin dito.
She gave us the choice.
Before we continue to our video, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow travel lovers, and subscribe to Espenia Travel Hub for more exciting adventures, exclusive travel tips, and unforgettable destination highlights, because your next dream getaway starts right here.
Eclipse over the Pantheon. The final confrontation happened at the Pantheon, its oculus glowing like a god's eye. As the eclipse began, Severus activated the horologium beneath its dome, merging timelines. The sky cracked. Julius Caesar rode beside Vespa scooters. Gladiators clashed with modern-day riot police. The Colosseum rose anew, swallowing the stadium it once was. Leah faced Severus, holding the sundial's key, a relic from her pendant. "You cannot stop destiny," Severus snarled. "I'm not stopping it," Leah replied. "I'm choosing it." She reset the sundial to 0 hour, the founding of Rome. Light surged. Time unraveled. Then silence.
I'm coming! I can't see, I'm too short.
Baba.
Ay, siya na yung nakahawak ng 30. Hindi makita kasi. Ay, umalis na yung alam na Jean. Bikini! Ayan na yung 34. Hawak na niya. Oh, keeping it good. I was looking back and forth. I'm like, sige na. Hindi na, brada.
Rome, eternal. Liao woke in the modern pantheon. Tourists whispered. Pigeons flew. She looked around. No Marcus, no Severus, no glowing sundial. Had it all been a dream? But in her hand was a coin. Roman, impossibly old, and engraved on it. Tempus custodit eos ca custodiant fidem. Time protects those who keep faith. She smiled. Rome hadn't changed. It had simply remembered.